Okay, December 26th. We're back to work after our day of vacation. We're building some parade cart wheels here. This one we're welding in the flanges. The spokes are welded in. This one over here is pretty much finished, except for the rubber. Well, we'll have it powder coated. One wheel's in getting powder coated now. I called them this morning. They said they got the primer on, but they didn't have the metallic undercoat for the color flaming gold. Here, hold this for a second. This rubber, Amish buggy rubber, will go in that channel. We can make a video later of how we put that rubber on. But that'll go all around. This will be powder coated. Again, the color is flaming gold. Has metallic specks in it. Works pretty good. Now we're welding outside, so sometimes that's a problem with the blanketing gas. So I'm going to put on my mask. Understand what I'm saying. Okay, I'll get some gloves. I just burned my finger touching a piece of metal without the gloves. Do this, and then let's see how this welds. If the wind blows, it blows away the gas, and then we get an ugly wheel. Okay, that went okay. This will be the back side of the wheel. Let's do one more. This one's set up over here. Okay, that's how we make a wheel. Don't touch the stuff with a bare hand.